everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's tutorial video, I'm gonna guide you through how to download Snapchat on your PC. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to download Snapchat on your PC, the first thing you'll need is to download BlueStacks on your device. Start by clicking open a web browser, search for BlueStacks, download, and enter. Go to the first link that you see and simply download BlueStacks on your device. Once it is downloaded, you'll be able to see it on the desktop. Simply click it open after you've downloaded the BlueStacks Android emulator on your PC and wait for it to open. Once it opens, go to the search box at the upper right and then search for Snapchat. Once you find the application, simply click on the install button and one more time click on install. You'll need to be signed into your Google account in order to download an application. Wait for the download to start, and once it does, you'll be able to see it on your desktop. Once the download is done, wait for it to install. After that, click it open. On the next tab, you'll be able to see that you have downloaded the Snapchat application on your PC with the help of the Android emulator. With the Android emulator, you'll be able to find all the applications that are available in your Play Store on your PC as well. That is how you can easily download Snapchat on your PC. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was in any way, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.